chocolate-covered strawberries card with a touch of gold foil. Two-step stamp Sweet Strawberry. Solid image with the lightest ink, outline image with the darker ink. Punch out using the Strawberry Builder punch. To make the chocolate, mix Crystal Effects with early espresso ink, then apply with a palette knife. Embossing paste will work too. For a touch of glimmer, add pieces of gold foil while the mix is still wet. Then punch leaves, add plain crystal effects, and add gold foil. Cut and stamp the pieces for the card front, then assemble. Use mini dimensionals to pop up the strawberries. The possibilities are endless.